Hi, it's Marvin. Today I'm starting with a 2-hour Morrison's block, paying £40. It's a Sunday morning. It's really hot. I think it's about 26 degrees. See where they're going to send us. Generally it's Tewkesbury or Cheltenham for this block, and then Forest of Dean for the later block. So let's see what we get. I've parked. Do the check. I look a bit blurry. It's unusual to not pop up straight away. Find a new route, please wait. This time is included as part of your block. We'll notify you when a route is available. When a route is Your route is ready to pick up, and it's 38 parcels, no surprise. So we've got Amazon Nav here with the voice turned off, and then Waze here, which is giving me the directions. Waze is better at avoiding traffic, and the Amazon app occasionally sends you up one-way streets the wrong way and things like that, bus lanes. Waze is much better than avoiding those things. So we ended up with a 5, an 8, a 4, a 4, a 6, a 6 and a 5. 2 of them are age verified. We use electric for the first bunch, and then use petrol when we go up to Tewkesbury and when we come back again afterwards. Hello. There you go, 5 bags for you. Well done. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. Oops. Let's go that way. Hello. Here we go, all done for you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. It's better than driving around in the rain. It's nicer. You got it? I think people have been buying lots of squash and stuff, like the really big ones.
Oh yeah, yeah.
There we go. All done for you. Thank you. Bye. 14 minutes, 6 miles. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Cheers, thanks. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Whoops. There we go. 2 more. Yeah. I need to check the year you were born.
Oh, 92.
92. Super. All done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice afternoon. There was six delivered with an age check. Didn't video. Anyway, last one. So the guy came down and helped me with those 6, which was handy. So we're done. 2-hour block done in. Well, 10 minutes to spare. Head back to Morrison's now for the next block. This afternoon I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block paying £40. It's a really hot Sunday afternoon. The temperature's 27 degrees at the moment. I'm glad I got air conditioning in my car. Let's see how it goes. We've got 7 stops. We've got a 5, a 4, which is age verified, a 4, a 9, a 4, a 3 and a 6. 3 stops around Gloucester and then 4 stops near Stonehouse, which is good because that's where I live. Let's go. There we go, all done for you. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. Six. Enjoying the sun?
No, don't like it.
A bit heavy. Do you want to do one at a time?
No, it's alright. 2
in there. I've got 2 more for you as well. There we go, with a 2-0. Can I ask you what year you were born?
63.
Cool. There we go, those 2.
Lovely.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice afternoon.
Take care.
Hello. Got your Morrisons for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bags. Cheers. Hello. Hiya. Okay. Yep. There you go, that should be all of it. Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice afternoon. Two, 1, 2. I need to check the year you were born. Super. There we go, all done for you. Thanks. Did I just ring you as well?
You might go.
There we go. Right.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Hello, got your Morrisons for you.
Right.
I got 4 more to get. There you go, all done for you.
Lovely.
Cheers. Have a good afternoon.
And you?
So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, completed in 1 hour 15 minutes. He did swipe to finish. Now it tells me to go back, although I'm near home, so I'm going to head home. I believe the message will disappear in 5 minutes. So if you enjoy these ride-along videos, give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more ride-along videos and tips and tricks to do with Amazon Flex. Catch you next time.